Beauties, welcome back to another lipstick swatch video, and this Diwali I wanted to showcase my fun, bomb as hell favorite lip shades. All the info in regards to products and jewelry are listed in the info bar, so let's start this party. We're kicking this video off with Girl Attic Dollhouse, which is a perfect dolly soft pink that can sport any dramatic makeup this festive season. The formula is a rich, pigmented, weightless liquid matte, and this shade will suit a fair to a medium complexion. It is definitely becoming one of my favorite. Everyone needs to own a Lisa Eldridge lipsticks once in their life. The formula is lush, velvety rich, comfy matte with pigments that can set an example. This is her newest launch, Skyscraper Rose Insanely Saturated Lipstick. This cool tone, medium dark berry will flatter all skin tones. It's absolutely beautiful. SEPHORA Cream Lip Stain in the shade Wild Side is a perfect autumn orange lipstick with tones of rust and brown peeking through. Oof, I love this color, and it will be a perfect shade to sport this Diwali. A shade that will suit every skin tone, and I mean it, every skin tone. It's such a shame it's not cruelty free, but since I have it in hand, I want to finish it all off. Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crushed Caramel is such a pretty unique brown. No surprises that Lakme knows how to nail lipsticks, and this formula is comfy, pigmented, and the caramel tones to this pretty brown will definitely flatter a tan to a deep rich complexion. Very pretty shade. Well done, Lakme. This rich chocolate brown with a hint of red tone is just perfect for Diwali. This shade called Nasty is my favorite shade basically from the entire Sinful Matte collection from Color Bar. The pigmentation is rich and a creamy matte, a shade that will flatter all skin tones, especially medium to deeper skin tones. Faces Canada ULTIME Pro HD in Mulberry Magic is the perfect dupe for the Laura Mercier Extreme Velour lipsticks. This shade is to die for, richly pigmented, comfy matte, and a shade that is so Indian festival appropriate thanks to its deep berry wine shade. Perfect for medium to deep rich skin tones. In fact, it's going to flatter all skin tones. ColourPop Luxe Lipstick in the shade Evil Queen. This is from the Disney collection, and this bold red isn't here to play around. Diwali and red lipstick is a match made in heaven, and this pigmented, velvety, rich cherry red matte is meant to flatter each and every skin tone. It's absolutely gorgeous. Another SEPHORA cream lip stain. Hey, I told you I've got a lot of it to finish off, and this is Indian Pink. The name itself screams Diwali, and it's such a shame I can't buy this anymore because it's so comfortable. One of the most comfiest liquid mattes, pigmented, and this shade with its bright fuchsia pink will suit every skin tone, especially medium to deep. Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle is a plush, creamy matte lipstick, and it's one of my favorite. If you're feeling bold this festive season, then you can reach out for Griselda, a bold burgundy that will grab attention and a shade that will flatter all skin tones. Look at that color, isn't it rich? How can I not finish with a lip gloss? This particular one reminds me of Huda Demi Mattes, but cheaper, yet quality is top notch. Rouge Sephora Brilliant Cream Lip Shine is the shade, and this particular one, 18, is such a lovely mauvey pink. Glossy, richly pigmented, non-sticky, and it will suit all skin tone. A definite must-have for this festive season. That's all my beauties, and hope you enjoyed watching this video and looking forward to your feedback, and I will see you when I see you. Bye for now.